Mark, notwithstanding what's going on in China, you do like the reopening plays with better earnings, visibility. Can you give us a bit more colour on that selection?
Yeah, and it's easy to get sucked into the negativity as we're still fighting the implications of the pandemic. But many of the economies across the region are now opening up. If you think about further south in Thailand, we like Thai healthcare. We like Singapore industrials. We like Indonesian property plays. We like, in fact, China utilities, those that will get the regulatory tailwind. We like renewables generally, but particularly in China, as I mentioned, as bottlenecks start to ease. So we're also constructive on large cap Indian and ASEAN banks. We think net interest margins are going to improve. We think the asset quality is going to improve alongside profitability as a result. So there are a number of areas where we can deploy capital. I think as we've come into the second quarter, we've been a little bit more cautious generally on equities and risk assets because of where markets were positioned, and that's really been borne out. So we lightened up a little bit on equities coming out of the first quarter. But as we go forward now over the next 6 and 12 months, assuming our base case proves to be robust, and that inflation, certainly in the US, rolls over and we start to see some prints that support that, then we expect investor sentiment to hold up, growth to moderate, of course, and assuming, again, no policy misstep, then we would expect to see some of these equity markets outperform fixed income.
Indeed. Fingers crossed. Mark, very quickly, you like Asian reopening, please, including airlines. And what about SIA? I wonder, because, I mean, they obviously dropped some numbers, still losing money, but much, much less so. And business and flying is booming. They're getting a heck of a lot more bums back in seats.
Well, anyone who's been through that airport recently will know how well they've re-energized and reopened. And I think there is a pent-up demand for travel, which is quite clear. And it's a question now of whether or not the impact of higher fuel prices is going to be manageable in the context of growing volume, but perhaps falling margins.